What's up, kids out there in Traderland? My name's D7 here at Grok. Trade Hump Day Wednesday, April 18th, 2018, and the market's end of the day mixed. However, the big news is fear increasing quite a bit. Here we are. We are mostly higher, but the Dow down 0.2%. Everybody else higher, but financials down 0.5%. This is problematic for the markets. And crude oil up 3.5%. I'm traveling, man. I'm going to Des Moines, and I'll be there in Iowa, and I'm taking my family. It's a road trip. We love road trips. Love them, love them, love them. And it'd be a nice change for me because I'm no longer on a flight. I've been taking flights here and there, everywhere. Anyway, gold, silver, everybody's higher. Silver's up by a lot, 2.4%. Big spike there. VIX up by more than 2.3%. Bitcoin higher by nearly 4%. We are at almost 8,200. And that's where we're at. Okay, take a look. A lot of what I was referring to on Monday holds true today. Remember how we stalled out at 50% Fibonacci? Okay, for all you Grok students out there, the mentees of the 301 program, watch what I'm getting ready to do. And look where the Fibonacci is there. So you guys know exactly what I'm talking about and what to do. Okay, so here's the deal. We got a big symmetrical triangle. Big symmetrical triangle. We are at resistance above all major moving averages, but a good place for the markets to sell off or to drop. We do have a big bullish divergence on the MACD, so it does give a little more opportunity for a breakout to the upside. Okay, there it is. Before I do that, I'm going to look at the weekly chart. Now listen, jury is out if we're going to get a weekend edition. I hope I can get Meerkat to do it because I will be gone. But check out the weekly here. The weekly, here's the most important part of the weekly. We have two major trend lines here. At the moment of this video, we're above them. I have a sneaky suspicion by Friday we will close below them. So we're talking about a spider weekly chart at around 268.8. Maybe 269. Okay, 269. That's where I think we're going to end on Friday. However, if we stay at this level or higher above the 20-week moving average, that's going to be very, very bullish. Expect to see more upside potential. Expect to see that. And taking a quick look at, I'm going to look at crude oil. I want to show you this. Let's go to crude oil and show you what I have to do. Let's go blow this up. Put a sell on it. Yesterday it popped up. I thought, well, we have a good chance of, rallying here, but I didn't think it was going to be a massive spike. So I'm going to turn that around. There is a big time bull call. The gold, I'm going to go there. Gold have a buy on it, up, but we try to get over a resistance level. We touched a trend line. We come down and close below this. We have a good chance of dropping here now. Silver is a different ball game. Silver had this massive pop on huge volume, breaking a monster trend line, guys. That is a huge pop. Very, very bullish. My bull call on silver is playing out quite nicely. Quite nicely. VIX, I have a sell on it down, but we're starting to reverse. That could be a buy and fairly quickly be watching fear going higher. And Bitcoin, for those people, I got a sell on it, but now Bitcoin turned around early, so I'm going to put a buy back on Bitcoin now. So we have a trend line to get over, but right now these are signals that Bitcoin is trying to find a bottom and we're trying to go higher. So that's what I see at this moment. So we have a mentorship coming up April 28th, the weekend of April 28th, 3 days. There you can do off of your computer. And it's live. To get more information, you need more information. We need more information to find out if you're a good fit for us. So send us a text, name and address, and And we'll contact you with more information on the mentorship. But that is it. Hey, I'll be in Des Moines. We are doing a meet and greet with any people in that area. Go to groktrade.com and scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see a sign up where you can sign up and come hang out with us. We're going to meet at 11 a.m. Local time. 11 a.m. at, what's the area?
Scooter's Cafe in Grimes.
Scooter's Cafe in Grimes.
Grimes area,
which is near Des Moines somewhere. So that's what we're doing. That's where we're meeting. So that'll be fun. I'll make sure I take pictures and post those. We're starting to do that. But if you're from Cincinnati, Columbus, Midwest area, Indianapolis, Chicago area, also, if you can drive to those locations, love to meet up with you. That'd be fun. After 10 years in business, it's kind of cool. Us going around and meeting people that watch us and have been watching us for several years, and we'll start expanding that out. We'll hit the East Coast, West Coast, we'll be everywhere. So I look forward to that. Take care, guys. We'll catch up with you probably next week, Monday. We'll see you. Bye.